Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce moments in China. Today I'm at an intelligent equipment, industrial automation and robotics exhibition in Beijing. And at this event you could find absolutely anything. I'm talking about parts and components in relation to electronic products, electronic equipment, anything related to automation and robotics. You could find cutting-edge tools, machine tools, industrial robots, automation control, electric transmission components, industrial internet, and also find parts that can make you manufacture a full product. I am talking about from casing to all the internal components of your product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and drop a comment below. In my next video, I'll be showing you the winning products from this event.